こんにちは、もぐもぐです。Let's make okonomiyaki. Here are the ingredients. And now let's get started. First, dice your cabbage into small pieces. Into your flour, add eggs, water, and mix. Add your chopped cabbage in, and the cheese. Heat your oil and add half of the mixture into the pan. You can add all of it in, but it'll just make it difficult to flip later. Using a spatula, flatten out your mixture and try and make it into a circle. Cook the first side, add bacon, and then flip. Depending on how flat you make your okonomiyaki, the faster it will cook, but I would at least recommend a 2 cm thickness. Finally, if you want, add extra cheese on top. Close the lid and wait for it to melt. Finish off your okonomiyaki with okonomiyaki sauce, Japanese mayonnaise, katsuobushi, and aonori. I didn't have any aonori, so I skipped that. Itadakimasu.